This morning, a major blow to Karen Read's ongoing legal battle as she again fights to clear her name in the death of her boyfriend. Read's legal team had asked the U.S. Supreme Court to intervene in her retrial in an effort to have some of the charges dropped, arguing it was a case of double jeopardy after jurors in her first trial allegedly told them afterwards they unanimously agreed that Karen Read was not guilty of 2 of the 3 charges against her. The Supreme Court, however, denying the request to review her case, as Read's retrial will press forward with the charges unchanged. She's accused of hitting her police officer boyfriend, John O'Keefe, with her SUV after dropping him off at a friend's home and leaving him to die in the cold. A digital forensics expert testifying Monday that O'Keefe's phone was last unlocked at 12:32 a.m. and that the phone's battery temperature then steadily dropped from 72 degrees at 12:37 a.m. to 37 degrees by 6:14. Around the time O'Keefe was discovered dead. The expert also testified that the phone's location data indicated that he likely never entered the home, as the defense has suggested.
My opinion is that the device never moved far away from the flagpole.
The jury got the chance to see that front yard in Read's SUV in a field trip Friday.
There is no substitute for your own 2 eyes. As we all know, photos and videos sometimes can be misleading.
The forensics expert also weighed in on another disputed piece of evidence, an iPhone search by O'Keefe's friend, How Long to Die in Cold, saying it was made around 6:23 a.m. in contrast to the defense's timeline of 2:27 a.m., which would have been long before Read even knew O'Keefe was missing. The defense argues O'Keefe was never hit by Read's car, but rather injured by someone else inside and moved outdoors. All of it as Read supporters and internet sleuths hang on every detail.
Never in my entire life have I been more invested in a court case than the Karen Read trial.
Lots of folks certainly interested in this one. Emilie, let's talk about that phone search. That's shaping up to be quite the key part of this trial, the hyperthermia search.
Yeah, definitely. And the victim's friend, Jen McCabe, who famously looked up how long it takes to die in the cold, is expected to take the stand very soon. She has said that she did that at Read's direction after O'Keefe's body was found, but the defense disagrees, saying that it was looked up before O'Keefe's body was found, which could help implicate McCabe or other people in this case rather than Read. The defense is also going to get the chance today to cross-examine the forensics expert that contradicts the defense's timeline around McCabe's Google search. That timeline is so key for both sides in this closely watched case.
Okay. Emilie, thank you very much.
Thanks, guys.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.